Eagles have extremely powerful eyesight. They can spot prey from incredibly far distances, sometimes up to 3 miles away. They are skilled hunters, capable of swooping down at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour to catch their prey. Some eagle species build enormous nests. The largest recorded eagle nest was found in Florida and measured 9.5 feet, that is 2.9 meters wide, and 20 feet, that is 6.1 meters deep. Some eagle species are migratory, traveling long distances between breeding and wintering grounds. For example, the golden eagle can migrate over 10,000 miles in a year. Eagles are known for their majestic flying abilities. They can soar for hours using thermal updrafts to glide effortlessly and conserve energy while searching for prey. In the wild, eagles can live for several decades. Bald eagles, for example, have been known to live up to 30 years or more. Eagles use a variety of vocalizations to communicate with each other, including high-pitched screams during territorial disputes or when defending their nest. They exhibit strong parental care. Both male and female eagles take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the young eaglets after they hatch. Eagles have been historically important to many indigenous cultures, often symbolizing bravery, vision, and spiritual significance. Some cultures have incorporated eagle feathers and imagery into rituals, ceremonies, and traditional attire. The population of eagles can be indicative of the health of ecosystems they inhabit. Conservation efforts not only benefit eagles but also help protect the biodiversity of their habitats. They are skilled hunters, capable of swooping down at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour to catch their prey. Eagles have cultural and symbolic significance in many societies around the world. They are often seen as symbol of strength, freedom, and independence. Many countries have laws protecting eagles and their habitats, which have contributed to their conservation and population recovery in some regions.